Shaunak Sanhita, unraveling the mystical insights and practical wisdom of the Atharva Veda. The Shaunak Sanhita, a significant section of the Atharva Veda, offers a unique blend of mystical insights and practical wisdom. This article delves into the essence of the Shaunak Sanhita, exploring its composition, thematic significance, allegorical interpretations, and its enduring relevance in guiding seekers towards a harmonious life by harnessing the power of both the spiritual and the practical realms. Brief overview. Nestled within the verses of the Atharva Veda, the Shaunak Sanhita beckons seekers to explore the intricate interplay between the mystical and the practical dimensions of life. This collection of texts transcends the boundaries of conventional wisdom, inviting individuals to embark on a holistic journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Composition and structure. The Shaunak Sanhita is meticulously organized into chapters that cover a wide range of topics, spanning from rituals and healing practices to philosophical insights. Named after the sage Shaunak, this Sanhita provides a comprehensive guide to understanding and navigating life's challenges. Thematic significance. At its core, the Shaunak Sanhita serves as a manual for harmonizing the physical, emotional, and spiritual aspects of human existence. It not only delves into rituals and magical practices but also offers insights into ethical living, natural healing, and the pursuit of wisdom. Practical wisdom and spiritual insights. The Sanhita goes beyond ritualistic practices, offering practical wisdom for daily living. It provides guidance on maintaining physical and mental well-being, resolving conflicts, and fostering harmonious relationships. Simultaneously, it interweaves spiritual insights that remind individuals of their connection to the larger cosmic order. Symbolism and allegorical interpretations. The Shaunak Sanhita transcends the surface meanings of its verses, revealing symbolic depths within rituals and practices. It invites seekers to contemplate the deeper spiritual truths hidden within these rituals, thereby transforming mundane actions into gateways for profound self-discovery. Healing and empowerment. Interwoven with practical advice are insights into natural healing practices. The Sanhita explores the use of herbs, rituals, and incantations for both physical and psychological well-being. It empowers individuals to take charge of their health and happiness by tapping into the ancient wisdom of holistic living. Enduring relevance. In the modern era, the teachings of the Shaunak Sanhita continue to be relevant and transformative. Its emphasis on harmonizing the spiritual and practical aspects of life offers a holistic approach to modern challenges. It invites individuals to bridge the gap between the mystical and the tangible, nurturing a deep connection to both the spiritual insights and the practical dimensions. Conclusion. The Shaunak Sanhita stands as a testament to the profound interplay between the mystical and the practical within the Atharva Veda. By immersing ourselves in its verses, practices, and insights, we embark on a transformative journey. The Sanhita invites us to integrate the sacred and the secular, bridging the divide between the unseen and the everyday, and ultimately guiding us towards a harmonious existence resonating with the cosmic symphony of the universe.